I'm Brittany McKay, real estate agent and a part of the leadership team at ERA Realty All Over. I'm on a mission to help fellow real estate agents live the life that you deserve, buy all the things that you want, and travel to all the places your heart desires. We are created to live in abundance, so allow me to show you how to put a plan in motion to do so. Our team has developed some pretty impressive systems and tools to create leaders and powerhouses in the real estate industry. We have industry-leading tools and resources. For example, how many more listings could you earn if you can offer your clients to purchase their home anywhere from $50,000 to $750,000? Not to mention offering your builder clients exclusive promotions for their new construction properties. As you know, the more you learn, the more you earn. We have the resources to support the beginner agent to the real estate connoisseurs with decades of experience. We even provide support and development to real estate teams and brokerages. So let us help you earn more and learn more and reach your full potential. Contact us at 504-517-5151.